1. Gallery shopping. Stroll down Main Street and up Burton Drive, browsing as you go. Don't let appearances fool you. Main Street takes a little break around Cambria Drive, but it's lined with shops on both sides of there. 2. Learn lawn bowling. Cambria Lawn Bowls Club, 950 Main Street, offers free lessons Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. 3. Visit a real Nitt Witt, built by reclusive artist Art Beal. This folk art wonder called Nitt Witt Ridge is open for tours, reserve ahead. 4. Visit Hearst Castle, a half-hour drive north of Morro Bay. Hearst Castle is the area's most popular attraction. It will take you nearly half a day by the time you see the film and take a tour. 5. Piedras Blancas Lighthouse tours. Located just 15 miles north of Cambria, you can tour this historic lighthouse, first illuminated in 1875 to guide mariners along the rocky California coast. If you're wondering where its light tower went, the Fresnel lens is on display in downtown Cambria.